Okay, so we've got these two problems that we need to do, and we have been asked to find the scale factor. So that means how much you would have to multiply this little one to get the size of the big one. How much do you have to scale it up or zoom in on it to go from here to here in size? So we do this by setting up a proportion. So I say, all right, well, this side here, this side that's 24 units, corresponds with this one here. This one that's 40 units. So I'm going to set that up as a proportion. And we can say 24 to 40, right? Or we're going to set that up as a ratio, not a proportion. And then all we have to do is reduce this now, reduce it down. So I see that both of these are divisible by 4. So I'm going to divide them both by 4. And we would get 24 divided by 4 is 6. And 40 divided by 4 is 10. But it looks like we can still reduce that further. So I'm going to reduce that again. I can divide both of these by 2. And our final answer would be 3 to 5. So this is a 3 to 5 ratio. That's the scale factor. And you might be noticing these other two up here. We could have done 15 and 25 just as easily, and I'll show you that. So we could say 15 is to 25. And then we would reduce, divide both of them by 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 25 divided by 5 is 5. And again, we get that same 3 to 5 ratio. So let's take a look at this next problem. Let's change up the color scheme here. So again, we're going to look for our corresponding sides. So the corresponding sides I see right away is here to here, 12 to 16. So that's the ratio I'm going to write down. 16 to 12. And we could have just as easily picked these ones here, 15 to 20. And we'll do them both, and I'll just show you that it really doesn't matter. So both of, let's look at this one here, 16 to 12. Both of these are divisible by 4. So I'm going to reduce this down. And so 16 divided by 4 is 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So we've got a 4 to 3 scale factor. So then this last one, these are both divisible by 5. Pretty easy stuff here. So 20 divided by 5 is 4, and 15 divided by 5 is 3. Again, that gives us a 4 to 3 scale factor. So it's helpful to know exactly what we mean by that. So what I mean by that is for every 4 units here, or excuse me, for every 3 units here, there are going to be 4 units drawn here. Same thing up here. For every 4 units, or 3 units on this side, there would be 4 units here. And up here, it's 3 to 5. So for every 3 units that they draw here, they would draw 5 units on this one. For every 3 units on this, they would draw 5 units on that.